In this video, we'll cover the process of removing and replacing an SPS in a VNX rack system. Please note, it's important that all safety and ESD precautions are observed when replacing the SPS. Refer to the documentation for your system and make sure that you are familiar with all precautions. First, use the Unisphere system to verify that the SPS is faulty. Once that is verified, shut down the power to the SPS being serviced by pressing the power switch to off. Unplug the power cord from the site power source and then unplug it from the SPS. It's important to do it in this order as a charge may remain in the unit. Next, unplug the sense cable. Then, unplug the power cable connecting the SPS to the SP directly above it. Remove the front bezel by pressing the two latch buttons to release it from the cabinet. Now, remove the front plate from the SPS by removing the screws attaching the plate. There are two steps to removing the SPS from the rack. First, from the rear, remove the 4 screws that secure it to the rack. Then, once the screws are removed, slide the SPS from the front of the rack. Install the replacement unit by sliding it into place. Then, from the rear of the rack, secure it using the 4 screws. Reconnect the sense cable. Then, reconnect the power cables to the replacement SPS. Refer to the system documentation for cabling instructions. At this point, power up the SPS by pressing the power switch to on. Attach the front plate using the screws you removed earlier. Align the front bezel with the front of the SPS and push it until it snaps into place. This completes the process of replacing an SPS. For more information on the VNX or SPS, refer to the documentation or contact Dell support.